Introduce highlight features or overview summary about QLJ wireless CarPlay adapter for Apple. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Enhance your in-car entertainment. This CarPlay adapter features dual channels for factory wired CarPlay and HDMI multimedia. You can easily enjoy your favorite media via HDMI, connecting devices like Fire TV Stick directly to your car's screen. Whether it's movies, shows, or games, we ensure that it will elevate your car for versatile in-car entertainment. Full CarPlay functionality. This Bluetooth CarPlay adapter converts your wired CarPlay to wireless without compromising any of its features. The wireless CarPlay adapter integrates seamlessly with your car's system, allowing you to enjoy wireless CarPlay while retaining original car operations and controls, such as navigation, music playback, Siri Assistant, phone calls, and more, effortlessly switching between entertainment and driving functions. Effortless plug and play. Simply plug the adapter into your car, connect your multimedia devices to the HDMI port. If you want to switch to wireless CarPlay mode, only a 3-step setup without the need for additional apps, you'll be enjoying CarPlay features. Once paired, it will automatically reconnect to your device every time, ensuring a hassle-free connection for every journey. Please note that wireless CarPlay and HDMI input function cannot be used at the same time. Compact and durable design. With its sleek and compact design, the CarPlay wireless adapter fits discreetly in your vehicle, saving space and keeping your car's interior visually appealing. Despite its small size, it's powerful and functional, making it perfect for cars with limited space while still delivering superior performance. Universal compatibility. The CarPlay wireless adapter/dongle supports iOS 10 or later and works with a variety of vehicles equipped with a wired CarPlay system. Fast Connect compatible with Fire TV Stick, TV box, laptop, screen throwers and even game consoles. The wireless CarPlay comes with a USB to Type-C adapter. It is suitable for iPhone 6 or later and more than 800 plus models of cars from different brands, making it a perfect addition to most cars on the road today. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.